On November 12, 2019, in Los Angeles, California, this Ring doorbell security camera captures the horrifying moments that a young lady gets kidnapped. Warning, this is disturbing. After hearing the screaming while inside her home, the homeowner can be seen walking out onto her porch wrapped in a blanket. You can hear the young lady screaming for help, but no help came, and the vehicle that she was forced into speeds away. This has to be one of the more terrifying things I've ever covered on this channel. If you were faced with this situation, how would you have responded? Let me know in the comments.